Hey, this is Foreigner in the Philippines. Well, the heat is relentless today. As you can see, I'm perspiring and expiring on a grease spot, as a friend of mine used to say. So we're here at the builders merchants. We're going to do a little video of what we expect to see when we're here. So our little truck is taking 15 bags today. Somebody said, oh, they'll take much more. Oh, and now we have to, somebody wants to be a star. Oh yes, guapa. Oh, look, here we go. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-dee! No, now two bags. Now 2 bags. Now 2. Not only 1. No big deal. No. 2 bags. Come on. Come on, let's get loaded. There he is. You're famous. You're on YouTube. No, I can't show it back to you. You're on YouTube now. Oh boy. So here's the rest. So this is Edgar's operation down here. That right out the back of his shop, which trying not to make you busy, but there's a building going on. This is a fast expanding business. He also has a place out in Calabon, and I think in Tagbilaran. I'm not quite sure, but really moving ahead quite fast, because building here is really expanding, and he's just built this huge building out the back of his place. He's now got, let me see, 1, 2, got 3, 4, 5 trucks. And how does this girl always get in the picture? So there we are, we'll give him a plug. Ambercon Trading. And who is this? Again, always in the picture. Okay, so they're making up, better louder my voice, but they're making up these building blocks, these hollow blocks that you see that everywhere. Look, that's what they've made this whole thing of. Quite a noise. Yeah, we already saw it. All hardwood. So that's a hollow block, and that's a delivery going out. Better get out of the way here, otherwise I'll get run down. And that's what I want next. That's what I want for my birthday, a cement mixer.
What?
God, how boring can you get? A cement mixer for your birthday? I want a cement mixer for my birthday. Can I have a cement mixer for my birthday, honey? Oh, honey, relax now. Don't get too stressed out, okay?
What do you want?
A cement mixer for my birthday.
I think you just have cement, okay?
just get the cement. It's falling a little short. And these two are, are going to travel back. And this is Bibi. Where have you been, Bibi? Everybody missed you.
Pretty baby.
Everybody missed Bibi because I think, did she have a fever? She had a fever, yes? No? Wow, why? Where were you, Bibi?
In the house.
You were in your house with your mother? Look how beautiful this girl is. Oh gosh. Okay, well I think we're almost ready to go. So, this is our visit to the hardware store, foreigner in the Philippines. Thanks for looking in. And an end shot of guess who? Talikli. Bibi, you want to say goodbye? Go stand.
Bye-bye.
Go stand with Talikli. If you stop moving for a moment. Okay.
Bye-bye.